So far, we have studied these letters. Look, this is the table of the Arabic alphabet. Here we have studied the first one and also the last one and these letters between them. Let's read them together. Alif, Alif, and the sound is A. Ba, Ba, Ba. Ta, Ta, Ta. Ha, Ha, Ha. Kha, Kha, Kha. Dal, Dal, Da. Sin, Sin, Sa. Ain, Ain, A. Lam, Lam, La. Mim, Mim, Ma. Noon, Noon, Na. Ha, Ha, Ha. Wow, Wow, Wa, and Ooh. Yeah, 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 and E. So we still have these letters, the blank cells. We will study them later on. The next letter is Ra, Ra, and its sound is Ra. It's written like this. As you can see, this letter has the same shape in its different positions in a word. When it's isolated, it looks like this, and also when it is in the beginning, when it's in the middle, and when it comes at the end. This letter doesn't have any dots, as you see, but its shape is shared by another letter which has a dot on the top. This other letter, we will study it later on. Now let's go to the words. The first word here is, it means merciful. It's composed of 4 letters, as you see. The first is Ra, then Ha, then Ya, then Mim. The Ra has fatha, Ra. The Ha has kasra, Hi. Then long vowel, Yi. So what will this be? Rahim, 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 merciful. This word, Noon with Dhamma, then long vowel, Ooh, then Ra, Noor, Noor, light. Notice that Ra doesn't connect to the left, so we need to leave a little space between it and the following letter. Ra and then Ha. You see here, there is a space. They are not connected, just like some letters which we studied before. Alif, Dal, Waw. Ra is also one of the letters which don't connect to the left. A new word, Ain with Dhamma, U, the Mim with Fatha, Ma, then R, R. Umar. Umar is a male name. What about this? Ra, it has fatha, Ra. Then the ba has kasra and also shadda. So we say Rabbi, then Yi, long vowel Yi. Rabbi, 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 my Lord. Don't say Rabbi, because as we said before, in Arabic we don't have the sound pa. And don't say Rabbi, because here the ba has shadda, so it's doubled. Rabbi. Then, this is a verb which means I study. Here it's composed of four letters, Alif, Dal, Ra, and Sin. The Alif has fatha, A. Then the Dal has sukun. So we say what? Ad, Ad. Then the Ra has dhamma, Ru. Then Sin has dhamma, Su. Ad, Ru, Su. Ad, Ru, Su, I study. As you see here, all the letters are separate because Alif is not connected to the left. Dal is not connected to the left. Ra is not connected to the left. And then Sin comes at the end. So this is adrusu, I study. Another verb which means I want. Alif, Ra, Ya, and Dal. Here Alif has Dhamma. So we say U. Here it was, the Alif here had Fatha. That's why we said A. But here it's U. Then Ri. The long vowel, E. Uri. Then Do. Uridu. Uridu. Uridu, I want. A new word. Ain, Ra, Ba, Ya. Ain has fatha, A. Ra has fatha, Ra. The Ba has kasra, B. Then the Ya has shadda. Arabi. Arabi, Arab. Arabi. Then Ra, Sin, Waw, and Lam. Ra, Sul, Rasul, Rasul, messenger. A new word. What is this letter? It's Ha with a dot. What will it be? Yes, Kha. Kha with fatha, then Ya with sukoon, Khay, then Ra. Khair. Khair. Good. This is a long word. It's composed of 7 letters. The alif is written like this because we say E. It has kasra. We say E. Then the ba has sukoon, ib. Then ra, followed by long vowel, ibra. Then ha here with kasra. It will be he. Then long vowel, yi. Ibrahim. 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 This is a male name. Now, can you read these two sentences? Allah is my Lord. Here we say Allah, but it has Dhamma then, so we say Allahu. Allahu Rabbi. Allahu Rabbi. Allah is my Lord. As we said before, in Arabic we don't translate verb to be. So in Arabic we say Allah my Lord. Allahu Rabbi. What about this question? Can you read it? Are you male Arab? هل أنت عربي؟ هل أنت عربي؟ Are you Arab? هل أنت عربي? So you can say نعم, which means yes, or لا, which means no.